Single men, let me guess, you have 5 shitty likes on Tinder, maybe less. And it's not because you're ugly. It's not because you're short or balding or Asian. It has nothing to do with that. The only thing is that your profile is absolutely garbage. And if your profile is garbage and your prompts do not evoke any emotion in the girl and your pictures literally are repulsive, then what do you expect? So what we call this here is a cooked profile. So the solution is to recharge that profile with what I call the 3 angels of resurrection. Now I just made that up, but these 3 traits, these 3 things, if you do them, they will literally recharge your profile. These things are having candid pictures that look, very natural and genuine. Then secondly, having pictures that show off a story, that show off you as a person and make you attractive. And 3, pictures that make you look high status, that make you look like someone that she'd wanna be seen around with. Because having just quality pictures or having like a photographer take your pictures for you that has never done a dating app picture photo shoot before, that won't cut it anymore in 2025. So the thing is that a lot of these photographers that you'll meet out there, either they don't understand the intricacies and the sub-communications and the posing that needs to go into making a picture look attractive to a girl and like the female gaze, or they just get really professional pictures that look almost fake, almost AI generated, and that will not get you matches either. And the difference is that unlike most of the photographers that are out there, I've actually gone through the same exact process and failed so much, just like you. I actually look way worse than any of you right now. Here's a picture of me back in 2020, and in the last 5 years, 1, like obviously I've transformed my look and I've got to start looking better, but 2, I've gotten the results that most guys are dreaming of, and that is also possible for you. You can literally apply the 3-step formula that I teach my clients, or have me do it for you in our revamp photo shoots, and start getting results just like Adam over here. Or you can start getting results like this client I helped who is balding and now he has a girlfriend in like about 40 days. Or you can get results like Jonathan, who literally just blew up Hinge and now he's getting warnings for not replying to his matches because he has too many. If you want to live in abundance, it is right there for you. And yes, I will guide you through every single part of this photo shoot. I will give you directions on how to pose, how to look natural, and I will also have a consultation call with you to choose out your outfits and your grooming and your haircut and everything beforehand. So you have nothing to worry about, and at the end, we get you a full done-for-you profile for all of the apps, including 3 apps that most people are not using for some reason. And the profile that we curate will have 6 to 9 pictures that are chosen by hot girls that are models that I've shot with or that I know that are just part of this squad that we have going here. And you have feedback literally from girls that you are trying to get, and the profile will be in your hands and ready to start running within 48 hours of the photo shoots, which is unheard of in this industry. Most photographers will take at least 2 weeks, maybe like 2 months even. And we will go above and beyond, be very detail oriented, and work with you to figure out what exactly your ideal girl is and what kind of lifestyle you live. And then we'll create the photo visions based on that. So if you are a boxer, let's say, or you do mixed martial arts, then we'll get that kind of picture for you. Or if you are a biker and you ride, we can get a picture for you with a bike. And look, I know every other, guru out there and coach out there is promising you like, oh, this and this and this. But here's the deal. If you're not fully satisfied with our photo shoot and the results you get from it, and the service and all that stuff that you get from it, then you can have your money back. So hit the link that's probably gonna pop up somewhere on the screen, somewhere around here, and get this deal today.